In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a subpage from a parent page. First, open the main page, where you want your subpage to live. Think of this as the home base for your content. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot, because the subpage you create will nest directly under this page, keeping everything neatly grouped together. Next, move your cursor into the page's content area. You should see a blinking cursor inside the body of the page, not in the title or the sidebar. This tells the app you're about to add something inside this page itself. Type // followed by the word page, like this, /page. This opens the page creation option and brings up a quick menu so you don't have to dig through settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is still inside the content area. From the drop-down that appears, select Page. This confirms you want to insert a brand new page as a subpage right here. You'll be prompted to add a title. Enter a clear, descriptive name that tells you what this subpage is about at a glance. Titles like Project Brief, Q2 Roadmap, or Team Notes make it easy to spot later. Press Enter to create the subpage instantly. The new subpage is now attached to your parent page, and you'll see its title appear there. Open the subpage by clicking its title from the parent page. This takes you into a clean canvas where you can start building. Inside the subpage, add whatever you need. Write content, drop in images to illustrate your ideas, create checklists to track tasks, or insert databases for more structured information. You're free to mix and match these elements so the subpage supports your workflow, whether it's planning, documenting, or collaborating. When you're finished working inside the subpage, return to the parent page using the breadcrumb navigation at the top. It looks like a trail of page names. Click the parent page name to step back up one level and regain the broader context. Finally, keep your workspace tidy by managing the subpage in the sidebar. Expand it when you need quick access to its contents, and collapse it when you want a cleaner view. This small habit helps you stay focused, especially as your collection of pages grows. That's it. You've created a subpage from your parent page, added meaningful content, navigated back with breadcrumbs, and organized everything from the sidebar. Follow these steps whenever you need to structure your work, and your pages will stay clear, consistent, and easy to navigate.